Hey guys, today, let's learn how to add or how to share a YouTube video over onto the Threads apps. If you guys would like to go ahead and share YouTube videos over onto your Threads apps, this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys how to do that step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. Alright you guys, so what we need to do first is to launch the YouTube application, and I want you to choose the preferred video that you'd like to go ahead and share onto the Threads app. In this case, I think I'm gonna go ahead and just choose this video right here, and what I want to do next is to tap on this share button to, share the video. Now, let's see if the Threads app is actually available to choose over onto these options to share, and it is right here. So go and just tap on the Threads app, and that's gonna take you to the Threads application. And as you see, gonna go ahead and tab on post and share this YouTube link over onto the Threads app. Basically, what we need to do is to wait for this to load, and once you hop on over onto the Threads app, you should see the YouTube video link posted on your Threads application, on your Threads accounts. That's could easily share a YouTube video on the Threads app. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys will learn something, and I'll see you guys on the next video.